You've spent thousands on the best GPU. You've got the fastest processor. You've practiced your aim for hours. But you're still losing fights you should win. What if I told you the biggest bottleneck isn't your skill, it's your monitor? The wrong display adds hidden lag, blurs your motion, and lies to your eyes. But the right one? It's like removing a blindfold. After testing over 20 panels, from 4K beasts to 360Hz speed demons, I'm revealing the only 5 gaming monitors you should even consider in 2025. One of them will literally change the way you play. Starting at number 1. ASUS ROG Swift 32. Best overall. The best overall 32-inch gaming monitor is the ASUS ROG Swift PG32 UCDM, which uses a 4K 240Hz QD-OLED panel. It has the most complete feature set and top-tier performance, including excellent HDR accuracy, black frame insertion, and Dolby Vision support. It's typically the most expensive option, too, with pricing starting around $1,200. Other solid options using the same panel include MSI's lineup, MPG321URX, MAG321UPX, and MPG322URX, which tend to be more affordable with fewer premium features. The 321UPX is often available for just $900, which is an excellent deal. The Gigabyte FO32U2 is also worth a look. Priced under $1,000, it provides great value and could be the best option depending on regional pricing. If you prefer a curved screen, the Dell Alienware AW3225QF offers that variant. For those who want a matte finish instead of glossy, there's the Samsung Odyssey G81SF. And if you're interested in a dual-mode panel, the ASUS ROG Swift PG32 UCDP provides a 32-inch 4K OLED experience with an additional 1080p/480Hz mode, which can be particularly useful for fast-paced multiplayer gaming. If a 27-inch size suits you better, we've tested 4 excellent options. The ASUS ROG Swift PG27 UCDM is the top performer, essentially a smaller version of the 32-inch flagship. You can also get the same experience for a few $100s less with the ROG Strix XG27 UCDMG. This 27-inch 4K 240Hz QD-OLED lacks Dolby Vision and DisplayPort 2.1 support, but currently sells for $200 less and otherwise matches the PG's performance. Number 2. ASUS ROG Strix XG27 AQDMG. Best premium gaming. If you're after a premium, high-quality gaming monitor but don't want to spend $800 or $1,000, the next step down is 1440p OLED. There are some excellent options currently available between $550 and $700 that either serve as a strong entry point into OLED gaming or offer a meaningful upgrade from 1440p LCDs. The most affordable models we recommend in this high-end 1440p segment are 27-inch 240Hz or 280Hz qd-oleds, which start around $550 to $600. The ASUS ROG Strix XG27 AQDMG is a great option as a 240Hz OLED at $650. And for around $700, you can find 360Hz QD-OLED models. There's no bad choice here, they're all competitively priced, so it really comes down to how much you're willing to spend and what specific features matter most to you. The 240Hz qd-oleds are a great starting point. They're more affordable and deliver nearly identical performance to 360Hz models, minus the higher refresh rate. If you mainly play single-player games and won't benefit from the increased refresh rate, there's little reason to pay more for 360Hz. Either way, you're getting top-tier OLED performance, excellent HDR, and all the key benefits. Number 3. LG 27-inch Ultragear 4K UHD. As of writing, Gigabyte has yet to launch the M27 Up in most regions. We do recommend waiting for its release, but if you want a solid alternative now, check out the LG 27 GR93U, which is currently around $300 when discounted. The LG performs similarly to the M27 Up, without dual-mode support, and it's an excellent pick as long as you can get it for that price. If the price climbs back toward $450, it becomes a far less attractive option. In this category, you can also step up to a larger 32-inch panel. While they typically don't offer the same value as the latest 27-inch models, the increased screen real estate can be more enjoyable for both work and gaming. The LG 32GR93U remains a solid choice as a 32-inch 4K 144Hz IPS LCD. If the Gigabyte M32 Up is available at a comparable price, it's worth considering as well. These monitors offer a similar experience to their 27-inch counterparts in terms of motion handling and color performance, but usually sell in the $500 range. Normally, when a monitor undercuts competitors by $50 to $100, it comes with compromises. That's not the case with the Gigabyte M27 Up, which performs as well as competing models, plus it includes dual-mode functionality. Number 4. ASUS G40XMN. Best Value HDR Monitor. Many gamers are looking for an HDR-capable monitor but aren't ready to spend over $500 for an OLED. That's where this category of gaming monitors come in. Right now, we believe you can still get a surprisingly good HDR experience for around $300, especially if your primary focus is on single-player games. We've recommended the ASUS G27G3XMN before, and it remains a strong option. It typically sells between $260 and $300 and offers a 27-inch 1440p VAA LCD at 180 Hz with a 336-zone full-array local dimming (FALD) backlight. This makes it a true HDR monitor, providing what we'd consider an entry-level HDR experience, over 1000 nits of peak brightness, strong contrast for deep shadows, and reasonably effective dimming control. It doesn't quite match higher-end models in terms of refinement or speed, but at this price, it holds up well. Number 5. LG Ultragear 45GX950A. Best Ultrawide Monitor. If you're in the market for the best ultrawide monitor, we currently recommend one of two OLED options. The top-of-the-line choice is the LG 45GX950A, a massive 45-inch 5120 by 2160 OLED running at 165 Hz. It's an enormous and highly immersive display, perfect for single-player gaming and simulation genres, offering one of the most impressive experiences available today. Compared to earlier 45-inch ultrawide OLEDs, this one is significantly better thanks to its higher resolution and improved pixel density. Text is now sharp and readable. You also get fantastic motion performance from OLED technology, along with strong HDR support via per-pixel dimming, deep contrast, and high brightness. Dual-mode support is included as well, allowing a switch to 2560 by 1080 at 330 Hz for better clarity in multiplayer games. We're not big fans of the 800R curve, but an adjustable curve version is expected later this year. This is also a very expensive display, priced at $2,000, making it the most expensive monitor in this guide. It's an exceptional product otherwise. So, there's your arsenal. Whether you're a competitive esports warrior, an immersive single-player adventurer, or a hybrid creator, one of these 5 monitors is your key to a new level of performance. To make your upgrade path easy, I've compiled all the direct links to every monitor we discussed, including the best current deals and bundles. You'll find everything waiting for you in the video description below. If this guide helped you see the light, literally, and saved you from a bad purchase, do the channel a solid and smash that like button. If you have a friend who's still gaming on a potato screen, share this video and give them an unfair advantage. For more straight-talking tech reviews and guides that give you the edge, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Now go get those frames. I'll see you in the next one.